Hi dear students, I am Yarlagadda, an English faculty, a word expert and a multiple world records holder. Welcome to Recreational English YouTube channel. This is a comprehensive program on recreational English. This is the first of its kind in the world. The content of the program can enrich your English skills, motivate the students to learn English, improve the word power or vocabulary, generate creativity, remove anglophobia. More particularly, give relief to those who are vexed with the routine classroom English. This is a process of learning while playing. It is totally a new topic. It takes some time to understand, to adapt, and to habituate. Episode number 2. This episode is titled as Numero Alpha Mirror Palindrome. I don't think that you have heard about this kind of palindrome or topic before. Okay, let us go for details of this Numero Alpha Mirror Palindrome. And now you are watching a variety picture on the screen. It is called Numero Alpha Mirror Palindrome. This palindrome is entirely different to the normal palindrome. As on date, this is the biggest of its kind in the world. So you must know the details of this kind of palindrome. Before going to know about this palindrome, you have to know the definition of the palindrome and history of the palindrome and kinds of palindromes. So let us see one by one. Now you are watching the definition of the palindrome and the types of palindrome. Read them carefully for better understanding of the present topic. The present palindrome is called Numero Alpha Mirror Palindrome. The image may be divided into two equal parts. One is upper part and another one is lower part. 24 numbers are used in upper part and 24 words are used in lower part. Now take a mirror and get the image reflected in the mirror. Then the numbers in the upper part of the image reflect as the words in the lower part. And the words in the lower part reflect as the letters in the upper part. The image reflecting in the mirror resembles as the original one if it is read from bottom to top. The letter M reflects the same in the mirror, so it is set in the middle of the palindrome. The sentence in the palindrome is literally correct and a meaningful one also. This kind of palindrome is possible with the words that reflect as numbers in the mirror or numbers as words. So the words that can reflect as numbers in the mirror are collected and created this palindrome. It is really a creative work because it is possible with the words that can reflect as numbers in the mirror image. Now let us see the students' activity. First, list out all the words and numbers of this palindrome. Collect some more words from various dictionaries that falls under this category. Prepare a new palindrome of your own or bigger than this one. Later, get it printed on t-shirts, teacups, ceramic plates, etc. Decorate your reading room with the laminated palindrome. You can present the laminated palindromes to your kin and kith as gifts. Now you are watching this week trivia and this week question. Read the question carefully and prepare to send correct answer on time. Okay, students, let us say goodbye to the present program. I mean, episode number 2. See you in the next program, episode number 3, with an amazing topic. Till then, enjoy the wonders of the words and the beauty of the sentences. There is a copyrighted content in this video. Permission is required to make use of it.